What's up, everyone? In this video, I want to walk you through my favorite setups for the upcoming week, give you my game plan. I'm really excited about this upcoming week. The setups are looking really good. I'm loving this market overall. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right into the SPY level I'm watching. It's one level, and you can take it as a breakout or a retest, okay? Honestly, I just want to see it build a base above this 458.1. I want to see it get back above it for calls. A big level on the weekly. You can see here we broke it on a Thursday, then we come back down and failed it. I want to see us get above it, build a base kind of like you see here, and catch the move up. Once we push back up to this 459.5, if we break that, we have some serious room to the upside there. So definitely a setup I'm going to be watching this upcoming week. If we fall back below this 458, I would simply just get out of this trade for a very small loss or close to break even there. As you can see here, we did come back up and retest that area here once we felt it before continuing on down. I expect the same thing will happen if we fail it again. But honestly, I think if we can build a base above it and get the buyers to step in, we could see a nice push up once we get above it again. That being said, I try not to think too much while I'm in the trade. I trade my levels and I follow my exact plan I have laid out before entering the trade. Here are my SPX levels. These are updated. These are areas of confluence, basic support and resistance, and these are the most relevant levels for this upcoming week. I'm going to be watching this while trading SPY. So if you're trading SPY or if you're trading ES futures, for all my futures traders out there, you can trade it ES based off my SPY or SPX levels, and I'm always watching SPX levels when trading either. You never want to take SPY calls below resistance because it's going to hit it, stop you out. You never want to take SPY puts above support. It's going to hit it, stop you out. Simple tip, write it down. It's going to save you some money in the long run. Walmart made the watch list this week, and this is a breakout trade as well. I'm seeing more and more breakout trades forming. I like Walmart above this 160.9, this 161 area for calls to the upside. I think if we get it, build a base above it, we can see a nice move up. When I'm day trading, I trade same week expiration, so this will be Friday's expiration. If you're looking for longer term trades, I always recommend to go out in expiration. You don't want that killing your premiums. Another setup on an individual stock I'm watching is a chip sector, NVIDIA, ticker NVDA. I want to see us break this trend. We have a nice trend line up here around this 472 area. I want to see us break that, get above it with good volume, and we have room up to this 478.1, then up to 480.8. Something to watch. Again, this is one of them this is one of them trades. If it falls back below the trend here, it's time to get out. You got to manage your risk, but there is nice risk reward there if we can break it with good volume. That's what I'm going to be looking for. I want to clearly see the buyers in control there. If you take a breakout trade, remember, I've released a video on how I trade breakout trades. I'll leave a link in the description for you all. You need to go watch that before taking any type of breakout trade so you understand how I manage my risk, and you'll understand how risky breakout trades can be, especially if you don't understand how to trade them. This is a very simple watch list this week. I will be trading this live inside Team Bull, where I hope you all are. If you're not inside Team Bull, it's time to come join us. Trade live with me. If you're not for sure, you need to join my Instagram lives every morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. I go through, give free education, answer questions, right? Then we create a day trading watch list, and it's all for free. So be sure to join that. Appreciate you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.